Hello, how are you all? I welcome you again. So first of all, I want to tell you I am very late to upload my lesson because yesterday I uploaded with the help of my mobile and all, but today I'm thinking that I will upload with my laptop. So from morning I was busy to repairing my laptop and installing all the softwares and all. So I am ready with this all the things, and I hope you will see the improvement in my videos. So here we are going to begin with the revision of conditional statement. Yesterday we talked about the conditional statement. So here is a quick revision of that. After that we will start the new chapter, which is loop. So here is a let's go with the revision. So yesterday we talked about the first of all the conditional operators. First is equals to, second is not equals to, third one is greater than, fourth one is greater than equals to, fifth one is less than, and sixth one is less than equals to. After that we discussed the if statement, if syntax, how we have to use in the programming. So here is the syntax for if text expiration colon and this space is indent space, it will come itself, and the statement. After that, when we have the true condition in which we have to select any one of them, so we have to put a else. So here is the syntax for that. Next color, actually I've made everything in the separate color. So text expression, if else, elif and else. Last condition, nested of if, when we have the if inside if. This is called inner, this is called outer, and this is called inner, and this else is belonging to this, and this else blue color one is belonging to blue one if. Last point we discussed two operators, and or. And operator, when both the conditions are true, then it will come inside the if. In or operator, when any one of the condition is true, it will come inside the if. Pass keyword we used for if we don't want to give any statement in the if we will not give any statement, it will show the error in if. So here is the revision. So today we have to start the loop. So here is the beginning of loop. So first of all, we should know what is the loop. Now loop is a sequence of instructions that is repeated unit a certain condition is until, it must be the repeat until a certain condition is reached. It should be until, until, until a certain condition is reached. It was a writing mistake. So we have to think when we have to follow a condition. If I tell you, you have to say hello friend 5 times. So what you will do, you will count first hello friend, second hello friend, third hello friend, fourth hello friend, and 5 hello friend. So what you did here, you start from beginning, means in one you counted yourself. In my mind, I have to count. I have to say hello friend. Next I have to say hello friend, third hello friend, fourth hello friend, and fifth hello friend. So like that we go. So means if we have to start from beginning, then we have to reach to the end. So it means we have 2 points. First is the starting point and second is the ending point. So here we are going to start with the loop, and there are 2 types of loop in a Python. Python is providing 2 types of loop. Other languages are having 3 types: for loop, while loop, and the do while. But here we have only for loop and the while loop. So today we are going to begin with the while loop. So here you can see the while loop. While loop, it shows here while loop. Here is the syntax. It is a syntax of while loop. So while loop syntax is we have to start. Start means initialization. Initialization of the value, then while condition, and after that body and increment or decrement. So with the help of this syntax, we are going to make a program. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it in the spider so that you can remember what I'm going to do now. I pasted already here, so I'm going to make it as a convert. I'm going to convert as a this is the now this becomes the comment. So I'm going to make a program here. So first of all, suppose I want to, as I told you, I have to write down 5 times hello friend. So how will I do this? initialization, I equals to 1, as I told you, starting point. Then while, and the next keyword, I is less than equals to 5. It is a condition, which condition we have to follow. Then after that, I think you are getting here, it is the indent space. This is the indent space. As soon as you press the enter, it will take itself. So here I am going to write down print. So what I have to print? I have to print hello friend. Hello friend. As I typed here, after that we have to put an increment operator. You can put increment operator I equals to I plus 1, or you can put I plus equals to 1. Both are the correct way. Any one of you have to use. So I'm going to use previous one only. So this is the initialization. I'm writing as a comment here. Initialization, initialization. Initialization. This is the condition. In front of that I'm writing the condition, and this is the increment. Okay, I think it is pretty clear to all of you that what I am doing here. So let's block run I am going to use here. So let's move with the block run. So let's check here. It will show you the output here, this side. So you can see 5 times hello friend, hello friend, hello friend, hello friend, and hello friend. One thing I want to tell you, while loop will work when the condition is true. So here I starts from 1, means the starting point. This while will print in the beginning hello friend, because condition is true. I is less than equals to 5, so it is checking whether the condition is true. Yes, condition is true. It will print hello friend, and you can see I equals to 1 while I is less than 5. You can see here condition is true. While will only allow when the condition is true, otherwise it will not allow. So when I is equals to 1, it will check I is less than to 5. Yes, it will say yes, it is less than 5. So it will print hello friend. Then after that it will come to this point, and this point says we have to increment the value, means I equals to I plus 1. So now I becomes 2. Now it will move to the loop. Loop will go to this side to this side. So what will happen? It becomes 2. And now when it becomes 2, it will check the condition. 2 is less than equals to 5. Yes, absolutely. So it will print the another value. Again it will come to increment position, and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So it will move again 3. Now 3 is less than 5. Yes, absolutely. Then it will again print the hello friend. So this thing will keep go on until it will reach to the 5. As suppose it reached to the 5, and 5th point is here. This one is the 5th point, hello friend. After that it will come here, 5 plus 1, it becomes 6, and 6 will go here if it becomes 6. So 6 is less than equals to 5? No, absolutely no. So it will not allow to come inside. It will say exit from the program. So here is this is the beginning of this while loop. So you please do the practice with this. I will write down some questions in your comment description area. You can go with that, and please do homework. Okay.